Legend Khune, the iconic Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper, is expected to officially announce his retirement from professional football during a media briefing scheduled for Tuesday, November 6. After 25 years of dedication to Amakhosi, Khune appeared ready to bid farewell to his playing career and share his future plans. Khune's extensive tenure with Chiefs may have seen his last chapter in previous season as he wore the club's jersey for what could be the final time. Although initially hesitant to retire, the 37-year-old goalkeeper and the club had been engaged in talks about his future. However, with the arrival of new head coach Nasruddin Nabi, the situation took a different turn. Chiefs remained silent on Khune's status, leaving him out of pre-season training and unregistered for the current season. This lack of engagement on Chiefs' part appears to have influenced Khune's decision to consider life beyond the playing field. Yet his love and loyalty to the club kept him from exploring other options sooner. Despite an option to leave, Khune chose to stay close to Chiefs, proving his deep bond with the team. Currently, Khune is carving a new path as a football pundit for SABC Sport TV, where he's been praised to his insights and analysis. It remains uncertain if this is his next full-time venture, but Khune has prepared for a role in coaching. He completed a goalkeeper coaching course while still an active player, fueling speculation that he might someday return to Chiefs as a goalkeeping coach. Sharing his expertise with future generations, Amakhosi previously committed to offering Khune a non-playing role if he decided to hang up his gloves, a promise that could see him continuing to contribute to the club's legacy off the field. As fans await the November announcement, Khune's legacy at Kaizer Chiefs, both on and off the pitch, remains unmatched. The football world will be watching closely to see what's next for this Amakhosi legend. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.